Oh, these brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone?
Dance with me.
The HC05 is a Class 2 Bluetooth module designed for transparent wireless serial communication. It is pre-configured as a slave Bluetooth device. Once it is paired to a master Bluetooth device such as PC, smartphones and tablet, its operation becomes transparent to the user. Next we will be needing a relay module. A power relay module is an electrical switch that is operated by an electromagnet. The electromagnet is activated by a separate low-power signal from a microcontroller. When activated, the electromagnet pulls to either open or close an electrical circuit. Next comes the Arduino board. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board based on the 8MEGA328P. It has 14 digital input/output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs, 6 analog inputs, a 16 MHz ceramic resonator, a USB connection, a power jack, an ICSP header and a reset button. We will also be needing some jumper wires. And a power supply for our Arduino board. You can use Arduino cable with a charger. Or an 12-volt adapter or batteries. Now we are going to connect the circuit. Go through all the slides very carefully. This is the circuit diagram. VCC pin of relay module should be connected to 5 volts of Arduino. Ground pin of relay must be connected to ground of Arduino. In 1 and in 2 pin of relay must be connected to pin number 2 and 3 of Arduino respectively. These are the connections of electric appliance with relay. I have used a table fan, you can also use anything else. For Bluetooth module. VCC to 5 volts. Ground to ground. TX to TX. And RX to RX. Wires of Bluetooth module must not be connected from the Arduino while uploading the code, otherwise your Bluetooth module can get destroyed.
Get it like, I'ma get it like, get it like, I'ma get it like.
1, 2, 3, oh!
Now we will upload the code. To do so, open the link given in the description, then download the file. All the code is explained in the code file, and now upload the code. Now go to the App Store and download it. Either of the 2 apps link for this is also in the description, and also connect your Bluetooth to your HC05 module.
Oh, these brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Like that, where you play hard. No rush, go and move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love into peace and gloves. Now you gotta do it right now. Oh, these brothers my guys, know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like